Alright, these will be the elevators here at the Hilton Garden Inn, located outside the Lakeland Linder International Airport here in Lakeland, Florida. And we have the ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. It's got the Aurora buttons, so we'll go to 3. One. Once I go up to 3, we'll try the DR1. There goes that elevator. And now we'll try to get this one. Elevator number 2. It appears we have a third elevator somewhere in this hotel. It's right there. I'm not sure if that's a service elevator or not. And here's this car. Go up to 3. And here we're back at 3. Back down to 1. Pretty nice elevators for a Hilton Garden Inn. These are your Aurora buttons, phone, you're back at 1, capacity is 3,500, elevator number 2, floor indicator, and your certificates. Well, on the 3rd floor, then we'll look for the R elevator, or the 3rd elevator, I should say. Okay, you're back at 3. What is call button? Interesting call button. Also, that's like a newer ThyssenKrupp bell, not an older ThyssenKrupp bell. Anyways, there we go, the main elevators, and off to find the 3rd elevator. So I just noticed that the 3rd elevator does not come up to the 3rd floor. As you can see by this map, it only shows the 2 main elevators where I am right now. But since we're up here, let's get a quick view from one of these 2 windows. Nothing to see there. We'll get a view out from this window down here. At least this view's better. Got the Staybridge Suites right there, and the airport way over there. Can't say way over there, but it's literally right there. And there's, I think, Florida Route 572 or Florida 542, one of the 2. I think it's Florida 572. And here is another set of steps. And look in there, that's your ice machine, wing chute, Just for the heck of it, we'll take a view out from both these windows. Let's see what this view offers. Nothing really exciting other than floor 572. See the cars going by. Got a second set of steps. And now let's see what this window down here offers view-wise. Might be a better view of the airport. And now let's see what this view offers. Got a great view of the Lakeland Linder International Airport. You can kind of see a plane taking off. Or maybe not. And that is your third set of steps. Not that interesting. 301A and 301B. Must be like a double-sized room or something, or maybe a penthouse suite. Alright. I'm gonna come over here to the bank of elevators and I'm gonna go downstairs and see if I can find a third elevator for you, but if not, I'll still meet you there where it could be. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, here we have the third elevator. Go to 2. Somebody up here. Back there is an employee area. And watch both doors close. And those were the elevators here at the Hilton Garden Inn outside the Lakeland Linder International Airport. And all I can say is now, that's it.
But wait! There's more!
Actually, before I end, I'm back up here on the second floor because I just noticed something very strange. Look at this intermediate call station. You're probably thinking, yeah, this intermediate call station is glitched. But watch this. That is interesting. I guess just for the heck of it, we'll ride this elevator back down to the first floor. Watch fun go out. And here are one. And now we'll officially end down here. There goes elevator number 2 and elevator number 1. And now that will be it for the elevators here in this hotel.